This is Mr. Tickley Parrot. What's that, Mr. Tickley Parrot? You want to play a game? You want to play hide and seek? Oh, okay, let's play hide and seek with Mr. Tickley Parrot. This is what we sing. Parrot, where are you? This is what Mr. Tickley Parrot sings. Here I am, I see you. Does anybody want to do the voice of Mr. Tickley Parrot? Okay, why don't you choose someone? Have you chosen someone? Are they ready? Okay, let's all sing. Off we go. Parrot, where are you? Is that person ready to sing? Who else wants to do the voice of Mr. Tickley Parrot? Have you chosen someone? Are you ready? Here we go. Parrot, where are you? Who else wants to do the voice of Mr. Tickley Parrot? Have you chosen someone? Ready? Let's sing. Parrot, where are you? Oh, well done. Shall we pick one more person? Have you chosen? Ready? Parrot, where are you? Oh, well done. Let's play a different game. Can you choose someone to close their eyes? Have you chosen someone? Have they got their eyes closed? Fantastic. Now, I want you to hide Mr. Tickley Parrot, or whichever parrot you've got, behind someone's back, and they're going to do the voice of Mr. Tickley Parrot. Have you hidden it behind their back? Shh! Don't tell the person who's got their eyes closed. Are we ready to sing? Off we go, parrot, where are you? Okay, now ask the person who's got their eyes closed to guess who it was.